I've been waiting for the past couple of days to get to doing the tile on the actual front part of the fireplace here. And so I have these beautiful sea glass tiles here that we're going to use to put along the bottom here. No one walks on this space, so it made it easy to be able to pick pretty much any tile I wanted to go along the bottom. So I'm gonna mix my mortar so we can get this set. I'm working on leveling out this space so that I can work with the parameters that were already given to me. It's the perfect consistency. Okay, so now it says I need to leave it for a few minutes before I use it.
Yeah, you gotta let it set.
All right, so stir for 5 minutes and then wait for 10. I haven't stirred for 5 whole minutes yet, for sure, but then we get to put the tile on. The tiles have been in the living room for like a week and a half, and I've been dying to get them on, but there was other things to do first, so I had to resist the temptation on just putting them on.
How is Elysia gonna fix the fireplace? Will she finish it in time for Christmas? For the stockings to be hung in the mantle with glee? Or will she wreck it and mess it up for everyone and no one gets Christmas?
Oh my god. Philip only knows because I have a massive Christmas Pinterest board of all the ideas I want to do with the mantle for Christmas.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
More or less just getting it out because my trowel is big for my bucket.
I really hope that the tiles aren't gonna be like the paint, because I don't know
Once
if
they're
you.
on,
Yeah, once they're on, right?
they're on. I'm gonna make a mess. I just know it. I didn't want to make too much, but I'm gonna need more.
You
There's
need
lots
to
more.
over make and then.
Yeah, I'm gonna make another batch. Should have bought a square bucket. Would have been easier to get the stuff out. Making a cake, make. There we go. I bought a little grout scraper, but I don't think it'll do much to the mortar. I'm going for the slow but steady.
Yeah, do it once.
This is when being a perfectionist is a good trait to have. Marking the tile so we can cut it with the straight tile cut saw that we have, and then we went and got a wet tile saw so that we can do those tricky ones that are going to go around the fireplace spot. Oh, worst sound ever. Oh man, that is the worst. That was worse than nails on a chalkboard. Perfect fit. I can put the spacers in for you.
That's looking
Behind.
so good right now.
Thanks. I'm pretty sure I got it on the bottom of my pants, my legs, my arms, probably my forehead, because I can't see it right now. I have mortar everywhere, but it's getting there.
In the end, it will all be worth it. I know it.
It will be. It's already looking great. I can't wait to get the tan colored grout in there. I'm looking at the mortar too long.
Yeah, staring at the mortar way too long. Do you like tiling?
Remember when we did the subway tile at the old house in the kitchen?
Oh my gosh, yeah.
That was very easy tile to put on, and it was so fun because everything in the kitchen, because we built it, was so level. So it made the job really easy.
Right.
The walls were perfect, the counter height was level, you know, everything was ideal, but it's a little more tricky when you're working with something that's already off to begin with. So making it straight is a little more complicated, but once I figured that part out, now it's going pretty easy. Spacers are sticking to my fingers because I have mortar all over me. So I go to put them down and they get stuck.
It's always messier before it gets pretty.
This is why I don't do cake design. Who could like finesse a cupcake.
I thought you didn't do cake design because you wouldn't make any money because I'd eat all the cake.
This is true.
Hey, hon. So, like, it looks really good and all, but I'm starting to notice that you're running out of mortar. And we live pretty far away from any mortar place.
I know, I have to go get a little bit more.
Okay.
I honestly thought we were going to use about half of what the bag told us that we would be able to surface area do.
Yeah.
It said a 4x8 backsplash spot, and this is only 16 inches by about 4 feet. So I thought I was going to have like so much extra.
We may have miscalculated. It's okay.
It's all good.
Don't.
Nice day for a drive.
Yeah, don't panic.
No panic zone. I didn't get any mortar on the hardwood floor. None at all. I don't know who did this, but it wasn't me. You know those videos online where the parents are like, Susie, did you get into the lipstick? No. And then the kid's got like the face covered in the mom's makeup. It wasn't me. No, I didn't get into the lipstick. So funny.
Blatant lie.
Yeah. Okay, these are all cut pieces.
Alright.
Let's go buy more mortar time.
Yeah, and then we'll finish the cuts.
Yeah. Morning, YouTube family. So we let the tile dry overnight, and today, hopefully, by later on today, we'll be able to actually do the grout. And I picked a really nice, just soft tan colored grout so that it wasn't white on the floor, but wasn't going to be another color that would take away from anything else we were doing in this space. We have so much to do left on this living room transformation, and we just got some exciting news that Monday or Tuesday, depending on the weather, our flooring is going to show up. We have no flooring throughout the house right now, so it's going to be really exciting to get an entire house worth of flooring dropped off here. It's going to be a little bit overwhelming to have so much here all at one time while we're working our way through this house, but to know that we can do the flooring in the living room and in the hallway, these spaces that we've already completed, or at least in the process of completing, are going to have flooring in them. And then we're going to have to start working our way through the rest of the house. So our idea about ordering flooring was to have the same flooring throughout the entire house, through the kitchen, through the bathroom, through all of the entryways and all of the rooms, because that way we'll have no transitions. It will just be done through the whole house. So I think from having tile in the past in our bathrooms and kitchens, we realized we really didn't like having it on the floor that much. Looked gorgeous, but not functional for our family. So I think having this waterproof flooring throughout the entire house, which is great to have in an older home, and also great just for cleaning and functionality for a family with dogs and kids, that this is going to be great. So I'm excited to show you the flooring. So our local Port Hood Home Hardware, we ordered all of our flooring through them, and it's taken a bit of time to come in with the setbacks of world issues, but we are so excited to have it finally here. So that means that early next week, we can be laying flooring in this living room space. So my goal is this weekend to get the rest of the puttying, all of the messy things done, and even the painting, so that we're actually ready to put the floor down. So that's going to be really exciting for next week. So thank you for all of the support on our videos. We have been having just overwhelming amounts of comments, likes, new people joining our channel. So if you're new here, welcome to our YouTube family. And just wanted to give a quick thanks to everyone for the support. This has been a really fun journey for us, and knowing we have so many people cheering us on means the world to us. So I love you guys. We are trying to do as many daily videos as we can. So we're just posting kind of our progress every day on what we've completed so far. Stay tuned for tomorrow's episode. I love you. Have a great Saturday.